Hey, good morning. Welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Luke Gonzalez. Today we are on board a 2023 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS. This boat's powered by twin Mercury 300 V8 Verados. And let's join me for a walkthrough video on this boat. So starting in the aft section here, you have plenty of seating to fit, comfortably 8 to 12 people. Freshwater washdown on the back. As you walk through here, this is the entertaining area. You have a full Kenyan grill here with a freshwater sink, trash can, and full refrigerator right here. Right here is, the really nice shaded portion of the boat. You have all your lighting in the rooftop, sunroof, sure shade that'll extend out so you can really shade the entire boat. You also have an option to do a full shade on the bow seating area too, so you could shade the entire boat if you'd like. Right here, there's a couple options for a couple different tables here in the main seating area, as well as a full sun pad option. Moving up to the helm, what's nice about the Cruisers Yachts is they equip basically all of their boats with, full electronics package, so you don't need to add anything on after you take delivery. So you have your twin Simrad screens with transducer, radar, Bluetooth radio, all of your redundant switching for all of your bilge pumps, your sure shades, windlass, lighting, basically everything you need right here. So nice and easy for the owner. Moving down to the cabin, you have a nice place to sit and have a snack, eat lunch, seating for 4 or 5 comfortably. The table turns down so you can make another berth so you can sleep 4 people, and then your main berth is just aft. Also comes with a full stand-up shower and head right there. And then as we move forward, Cruisers has a nice big walkway here on the port side of the boat, so makes getting up to the bow very easily. And then a ton of seating up here in the bow of the 34 GLS. Again, you could do a full bow table up here or a big sun pad cushion if you'd like. You could shade this whole area. You have some controls here for the stereo system, so you don't have to go back to the helm to do it. Cooler storage, and then a bunch more storage underneath all the seats. And then you have your windlass anchor controls that you can control here from the bow or from the helm station. So if you have any more questions, feel free to call us here at MarineMax Miami, or you can call me directly, Luke Gonzalez. My number is 954-205-5744. Thank you.